dishwasher rack repair using Goop. This is a 2016 KitchenAid dishwasher. Here are the two areas that I have already prepared. You can see I removed the rust. You can see nice shiny metal on these two posts. I used Harbor Freight's version of a Dremel and this barrel sanding attachment. Worked very well. And I could be precise. You also scuff up the area that you're going to repair using, I used 1500 sandpaper, just a very light scuffing to get the material to adhere. This is the dark gray version of the product. It matches very well. I initially ordered light gray and it was not a good match. And here's the finished repair. Very happy with the result. Looks factory. You'd never know that it had been repaired. And here's the other side. These are starting to fail. They're not as bad as the other side, but you can see a little bit of rust poking through, especially on the bottom one. So I'm going to repair them as well. Here's the left side of the dishwasher repaired. Also happy with how these turned out. The version I ordered was 40 caps. It was 20 bucks. It appears to be a good product, a good solution for this problem. Thanks for watching.